Test your knowledge about the intelligence of Kea parrots. Question: which of the following is a notable trait of Kea parrots? A. They can mimic human speech. B. They use tools. C. They navigate using stars. Hold your answer for 20 seconds. The correct answer is B. They use tools. Kea parrots are known for their remarkable intelligence and problem-solving skills. These clever birds have been observed using sticks to extract food from hard-to-reach places. This ability to use tools demonstrates a high level of cognitive function, comparable to that of primates. Scientists continue to study Kea parrots to understand the extent of their problem-solving abilities and social behaviors, which are considered among the most advanced in the avian world.